this is Rio from CalSoft Systems. Today, I would like to show you how to personalize your Business Central. When you open Business Central, the first thing you'll see is the Role Center. From My Settings, you can set your role. As you can see, there are many roles listed here, and Business Central will automatically identify which columns you will be needed for your role. For today, let's do Sales and Relationship Manager. You can see activities and insights through your Role Center. Even though Business Central gives you recommended items, you might want to move or add items from your Role Center to make things process smoothly. In that case, you can go to Personalize. This enables you to move around items. Shaded parts are hidden from your Role Center, so if you need information that is shaded, for example, approvals, you can simply hit Show to pop up in your Role Center. On the other hand, you can hide things you don't need, for example, self-service. Same in Insights. Right now, you're showing opportunities and Power BI reports in your Role Center, but you want to see top 5 opportunities. You can simply hit Show to pop up. You can also customize the navigation bar. If you want to see items, you can simply hit Show to pop up in your navigation bar. And also, you can drag and reorganize it. If you are finished reorganizing it, you can simply hit Done. You can also bookmark pages that is not listed here. For example, you look at posted sales invoices on your daily basis. You can go to Posted Sales Invoices and simply bookmark this page. When you go back to your Role Center, the Posted Sales Invoices will be on your navigation bar. And these bookmarking can be done with every pages. And here you are, there's your Role Center made just for you. These changes apply only in your Role Center, so there's nothing to worry about for making changes to your colleague's page. Thank you so much for listening. I will see you next time.